One of the most common issues you might encounter with your iPhone 11 is when it powers off and would no longer power on. Welcome to our channel, and in this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 11 that won't turn on or respond. Most of the time, when an iPhone no longer turns on, it's just due to a minor firmware issue. So what you have to do first is the forced restart. It is a simulated battery removal that will refresh your iPhone's memory, as well as reload all its apps and services. This is how it's done. Press and quickly release the volume up key, and do the same to the volume down key. After releasing the volume down key, press and hold the power button or the side key for 10 seconds. This should trigger your iPhone 11 to boot up. When the Apple logo appears on the screen, release the power button and your iPhone should continue the boot process. If this doesn't fix the problem, then you have to try and charge your iPhone. Make sure that you plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet, and use the original lightning cable. Regardless of whether your iPhone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 5 minutes. After such time and while your iPhone is still connected to the charger, press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. After releasing the latter, press and hold the side key for more than 10 seconds. As long as the problem isn't due to a hardware issue, your iPhone 11 should respond to these two solutions. However, if the problem continues, then you need to have your iPhone 11 checked. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.